£1.95 in the Bedford. First morning at the Paris Hotel Vegas. We're gonna go and find somewhere to eat. It's about 8:20 in the morning.
Coffee, a cake, what do you want?
I want to try and go to the British pub, I think. What do you think? Have a look, is it? There's ice cream. Pizza.
Cheddar sandwich, cheddar sausages.
All sorted bun.
Fancy cake.
You fancy cake? You just don't want to catch an Uber. So I want to go to the British pub. Pandy wants to have a cake from here, so I bet we'll end up with a cake. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm happy, whatever.
Does that mean you want a cake here?
Up to you. If you want to go to Anchor, up to you.
There's cakes around by you. Hello. Cookies are $5. Croissants. Let's go to the Anchor then, yeah?
Yeah, whatever. But it'll cost you $30 an Uber.
Right, okay, let's not go to the Anchor. Okay.
Do you want to go outside, go pool, and walk around?
Yeah. I am Marvin though.
You should have had food last night then.
Yep, I should have had food last night, Pam. So last night we came in, we put $20 into a machine and won $300 straight away. I thought, God, this is easy. A similar thing happened last time we were here. And then we ended up putting it all back into the machine, plus another $150, which I'm gutted about, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. Always thinking of food.
12 bottles of...
We could have done a lot with our 300. You're welcome. Thank you. Right. We'll go for a little wander and get our bearings. That's where the race is going on. There. That's the Bellagio there.
Yeah, it's a massive stand, mate, isn't it?
So where's the Bellagio water fountains then? Right there, that you can't see.
You see it from up here, this is well.
No. And we just had a look in here for some breakfast. But I don't know. I don't fancy anything at those prices. So pancakes $22. And I don't know, what are we going to do?
I'm sure then, got money, you want it?
Right, let's go looking somewhere else for breakfast.
I want to find out where we're going.
Oh, West Harmon Zone is up there.
Is that open then? We don't know yet.
Right. Is it? Yeah. That's where we are, West Harmon Zone. This is where the party's happening, people. Yay! Just we need to wake you up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Woohoo! Thank you. Thank you. When did we or why didn't we? I don't know. We were too busy doing other things. Gordon Ramsay's.
Oh yeah, we were busy, weren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, it's turn out to right. It's even on the corner there.
A domestic beer is $5 here.
We should come here.
We bought more machines. We bought one beer, one cider yesterday, came to $30. $30, yeah, that was with tip. It was something like $27 without tip. Crazy. Right. We ended up in good old Starbucks. Got some breakfast rolls coming now. We had 2 cappuccinos and 2 sausage, egg and cheddar. Can I have a look at it? Like burgers, little ones, and that came to $41.52. Yeah, so we just went to Starbucks, and there's a tipsy robot bar here. That looks really cool, doesn't it? And you've got the Cantina, Cabo Wabo Cantina there, dry bar. There. Yeah, let's have a wander. Lots of interesting things. Tipsy robot. Looks fab.
Lush.
Lush. Yeah. I love socks, just a place that sells socks. Just got caught out by the timeshare people of the Philippines. No, lovely, lovely people. So we're going to have a tour. Oh, it's beautiful clothes, yeah. It would suit Danny and Greg, wouldn't it? Oh, wow. Yeah. Take a couple of photos. So, we got a timeshare tour tomorrow at 10:40 around the Wyndham Hotel. Because we're going to the tour, they're picking us up at our hotel, taking us to the Wyndham. It's 90 minutes with refreshments, and then we get free dinner worth $96, and we get a free high roller ticket, which I think she said is worth $40 each, or $20 each, 40 in total. So anyway, it's worth doing, but we can't video. We can't take you with us on the hotel tour, which is a shame, but we'll take you on everything else.